guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. After a long time I am here with this video of angle property of a triangle. If you want to know more about triangle, then please visit my last uploaded video. Already we have discussed about triangle, its property and varieties of triangle. How many types of triangle according to their sides, according to their amount of angle measurement. So now this is the property of a triangle, a property about angle property. And you know, triangle is a closed polygon, consists of three sides. This is a triangle. And according to the side, there are three types of triangle. One is scalene triangle, one is isosceles, and last one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means three sides, equal three sides, and isosceles triangle means two equal sides, and scalene triangle means no side is equal. And according to their measurement of angle, means angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. According to the angle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. So now this is the property of a triangle angle property, and you know a triangle consists of three sides. It is a closed polygon consisting of three sides, three vertices, and three angles also. And what about the angle property? Here we know triangle consists also three angles, A, B, C angles. One angle is A, another angle is E, B, and last one is C. A, B, C are three angles. And the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. If you add these three angles, then the amount will be 180 degree. This is the first property. A, B, C. The sum of three angles is 180 degree. These three angles A, B, C. Here the angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. All the three angles are the interior angle of this triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle, and all these three angles ABC are the interior triangles. But there are also exterior triangles. So if you extend this line BC, extend BC, then this angle is the exterior angle of this triangle. Look here, if we extend this BC line towards D, then the AC and CD makes an angle. This ACD is an exterior angle of this ABC triangle. Exterior angle means one extend side with another side makes an exterior angle. Here AC is the side. AC is the normal side of a triangle, and BC is the BCD is the extend side of BC. So this angle made by AC and CD, and ACD is the exterior triangle. So according to a triangle, so there are 6 exterior triangles. Here we can extend AC, and this is another exterior triangle. AC, if we extend AC towards E, AC to E. Here BCD makes with angle AC. Now ACE makes with angle BC. So this is the exterior angle. And there is another property related with the exterior angle. Exterior angle, here this is the exterior angle, and this is the adjacent angle. You know adjacent angle. Adjacent means there is a common arm, there is a common vertices. Here ACB and ACD. And again I repeat it, ACB and ACD are both adjacent angles because C is the common vertices and AC is the common arm. C is the common point and AC is the common arm. So it is adjacent angle, interior adjacent angle. But here A angle and B angle are the interior angle but not adjacent to ACD. Again I repeat it, ACD, this angle is adjacent to this angle, but A and B are not adjacent but interior of this triangle ABC. So we can say angle A and angle B are the opposite interior side of the exterior angle ACD. ACD is adjacent to ACB, whereas A angle and B angle are the opposite interior side angle of ACD. These both are opposite interior angles, and this one is adjacent interior angle. So the property of exterior angle is linked with the opposite interior side angle. There are two opposite side interior angle. Every exterior angle of a triangle consists containing two opposite side interior angle. Here ACD has two interior opposite side angle. This is A and this is B. If you extend this CB towards F, then it is also an extra angle and it has opposite interior angles A and C. So first look for this angle ACD. Here ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. ACD is the exterior angle and it is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. It is the sum of two opposite interior angle. ACD is equal to A plus B. Similarly, you can write ABF. ABF. Which is ABF? This is ABF. ABF. This is the adjacent side of ABF, and A and C. Here A and C are the opposite interior side of the exterior angle ABF. So ABF is equal to A plus C. The sum of A plus C, the sum of these both opposite interior angles is equal to this exterior angle ABF. So this is the second property, second angle property of a triangle. First property of triangle is the sum of three angles is 180 degree, and the second one, exterior angle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. There are two opposite interior angles, the sum of two opposite interior angles. This is a question to find out the x, to find out the angle. Look here, 100 is, this angle is the exterior angle and these both are opposite interior angle to this angle. So according to rule, second rule of exterior angles, so x plus 40 is equal to 100. X plus 40 is equal to 100. So that x will be 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. This x is 60 degree. This is 60, this is 40. And you can check again by applying the first rule. The sum of these three angles are 180 degree, and this is 100 means this is 80 because this makes a pair of linear angles. So this angle both are 180 degree. The sum of these angles is 180 degree. So linear pair of angles. So this is 80, this is 40, this is 120. 80 plus 40 is 120, and the remaining x will be 180 minus 120. This is 60 degree. So in my next video, we will solve some more questions according to these both rules of angle property of a triangle of class 7. This video is for class 7, is only for class 7. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.